Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will gonna do a comparison between ClickUp and Notion. Here first I have opened my ClickUp account. You can see here on the screen how this ClickUp app looks. Here you can see that ClickUp has really a smart and advanced interface, whereas this Notion has a really user-friendly and simple interface. You can see here on the screen Notion app is really easy and beginner-friendly. Now here for creating this you have to go and you have to click on create. Here in the ClickUp you can add track time, invite, documents, reminder and notepad. And here you also have tasks in the bottom. You can also add here any task. Whereas in the Notion you can also go and you can create. Here in the Notion you have a plus point. You can add here templates. Here you have templates available. Like here for example if we show you, here you have this quick notes. You can see here simple to-do list. You have here simple journals and many more templates. You can go and you can choose any templates and you can adjust that according to your own need. Whereas in the ClickUp you don't have such templates available. Here I have selected a template of to-do list and here you can go and you can edit that. Once your work is done you can go and you can click on done and you can tick that. That's how basically this to-do list work. Here you can make your monthly, weekly, yearly plans and you can do all these things in just few clicks with the help of these templates. Whereas in the ClickUp you can go and you can click on task and you can add here any task. Here you have to go and first you have to write here a title, like if you want to. You can go and you can add here any task name. Once the name is done you can go and you can assign that project to your any team member. You can see here all your team members, and moreover you can add here the status, like if the project is in progress, is in to-do list or is complete. And that's basically all about how you can add your task in the ClickUp. Here in the ClickUp you can go to inbox and here in the inbox you can see all your incoming emails. Here you can also filter these emails on the basis of mention, unread and assign to you. And similarly in the Notion app you can see this inbox option in the bottom. When you will click on this inbox, here you can see all your inbox and here you can also filter this inbox on the basis of unread and archive. You can do that. Moreover, here you also have Notion AI. You can go and you can ask anything to this Notion AI. Here you can ask it different things and it will gonna answer it. On the other hand, in the ClickUp you have this Ask AI. You can go and you can ask anything to this AI. That's basically how both this AI work on both these apps. Here in the ClickUp you can go to My Work and here in the My Work you can see all your tasks and your to-do list, your personal list, your comments and all your team members. Whereas in the Notion you have to go to your home page and in the home page you can see all your assignments, your team space, your profile. And here in both these apps you can go and you can invite your team members. Both in Notion and in the ClickUp you can go and you can invite your team members. Now here if we go and if we talk about the subscription plans both these apps offer. Here you can go to upgrade plan and you can see here both the plans. Here you have this Plus plan, Notion AI Core and Plus and AI. You can go and you can upgrade your plans according to your need. Here you can see the price and the feature for each plan and you can do the upgradation. ClickUp also offers the subscription plans. Here you can see the free version, the unlimited and the business and enterprise. You can buy plans here according to your own choice. ClickUp is best for task-heavy project management, while the Notion shines in flexible documentation and organization. Choose ClickUp for exclusion and Notion for customization. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.